Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. Empower offers a comprehensive platform designed for the modern personal investor. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just beginning your investment journey, Empower provides a suite of tools and resources to help you achieve your financial goals. From sophisticated portfolio analysis and personalized financial planning to access to retirement advisors and cash management accounts, Empower seeks to be your one-stop shop for managing and growing your wealth. One of the key features of Empower is its focus on holistic financial planning. They go beyond simply providing investment options; they aim to empower you with a comprehensive understanding of your finances. This includes features like budgeting tools, debt management resources, and personalized advice tailored to your specific circumstances. Their objective is to help you gain control of all aspects of your financial life, not just investments. Empower also emphasizes the importance of expert guidance. They offer access to experienced financial advisors who can provide personalized recommendations and support. This professional advice can be invaluable, particularly for those navigating complex investment strategies or planning for major life events like retirement. Whether you need help creating a retirement plan, managing your 401k, or optimizing your investment portfolio, Empower's advisors can provide the guidance you need. The platform itself is designed for ease of use and accessibility. Empower offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to monitor your investments, track your progress towards your goals, and access important financial information anytime, anywhere. With their mobile app, you can stay connected to your finances on the go, ensuring you're always in control. Furthermore, Empower recognizes the importance of comprehensive financial management. This is why they offer a range of services beyond investing, including cash management accounts with competitive interest rates. This integrated approach allows you to manage your daily finances and long-term investments within a single platform, simplifying your financial life. In a world of ever-evolving financial markets, Empower strives to provide the tools and resources you need to succeed. They are constantly innovating and expanding their offerings to meet the changing needs of investors. Whether you're looking to build wealth, plan for retirement, or simply gain a better understanding of your finances, Empower can provide the support you need to achieve your goals.